Taff Man a chychwyn perthynas newydd yn Gymraeg.
Right, I've got to send Emrys an account this email about the month's spending. I know he's a fluent Welsh speaker. I overheard him the other day, trying to chat up Angela by the water cooler. She was well impressed, probably because she's doing the course Mistroli. What chance have I got? I've been stuck on Gwest Tree and say something in Welsh for 5 months. I think I could probably write this email in Welsh, though. But what if he doesn't get it, that I'm a dysgwyr? The grammatic and the treiglo will be far from perffaith. What if he reads it and thinks I'm an idiot?
Ble mae Nigel Roberts os gwelwch yn dda?
Mae fe i'r de, 2 llawr lan.
Yeah, I better write it in English. He'll take it more seriously that way. That's what I'll do.
Hei, esgusodwch fi.
Nigel, paid neud e, Nigel, stopia!
Taff Man?
O ti'n sgrifennu'r e-bost na'r at Emrys yn yr adran cyfrifon yn Saesneg?
Wel, o'n i'n meddwl am y peth, ond sut o'i ti'n gwybod?
Nigel, pan o ti'n e-bostio pobl sy'n siarad Cymraeg yn rigl, mae'n bwysig iawn i ti ddweud dy fod i'n dysgu Cymraeg. Tell them you're learning and they can help you. Felly, anfon'r neges gyntaf yn Cymraeg i syffydlu perthynas Cymraeg dyn nhw am byth. Establish a relationship in Welsh from the start. Dyna ffordd i ymarfer dy Cymraeg a dod yn rigl.
Ti'n iawn. Diolch yn fawr, Taff Man.
Anwyl Angela. Hoffa ti fynd i mwchyn di nos Wener am diod efo fi.
Taclus, dim problem, cyfaill, dim problem. Sdim ots pa lefel chi arni, mae'n bwysig iawn i chi ymarfer eich Cymraeg mewn sefyllfaoedd bob dydd. Dyna siwd i ddod yn rigl. Cofiwch, allai ddim bod na bob tro i'ch helpu chi.